right. Well, tell me, I got to ask everybody this question. What is the best thing about serving aging adults? You've been doing this in so many different capacities. What is the best thing?
So I think the reason why I got so excited about adult daycare and what we're doing with that space is simply the fact that I feel like we give people a reason to like wake up in the morning. We give people a sense of purpose, and we give them like almost like this like kind of fulfilling, meaningful life that they may not otherwise have. So for, to be able to create an environment that like they're excited to like wake up in the morning and come to, like they cannot wait to come and see their friends and like be a part of this environment. Like to me there's nothing that gives me greater joy than that. Like I mean like those stories of like someone that before like they would have a hard time, their loved one would have a hard time like waking them up in the morning, like getting them ready in the for the day. And like now like they're up ready, like they got themselves dressed, they're like sitting and they're like at the breakfast table like ready to go at like 6 a.m. Before their loved ones even gotten up, because they just can't wait to come to for that day. And so I don't know, just giving I feel like I always think about that person, like, or even myself, like at 90 years old, losing all my friends, losing all my like I'm no longer running these businesses. I no longer have this sense of purpose. Like what does my life look like at that age? If I don't have my kids aren't around anymore, my grandkids they're kind of growing up and doing their own thing. Like what does my life look like anymore? Like what's the purpose of life? What's the reason to live? To be able to like give someone like that reason again, to give them that purpose. And it's just there's nothing more fulfilling than that to me.
Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.